Hey folks, again today the showers were there, but they were pretty spotty in most locations. You don't see much. There were some in that flood warning area, by the way, which goes until at least 2 o'clock tomorrow. Now everything has moved out to the west. We've got a couple of showers right down around Boca Chica Beach, just to the south of Boca Chica Beach, near Washington Beach in Mexico. Everything moving off to the northwest, just spotty stuff. But I think tomorrow things are probably going to be more active as we watch Future Track. Relatively quiet tonight, but then during the daytime tomorrow, we start at 7 a.m. Not much then, but as the day goes on, scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm mixed in, and it's tropical moisture, so it can produce a lot of rain in a short period of time, and then it moves on. But even through 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, things are still there and beginning to fade. So it's kind of a one-shot deal during the daytime tomorrow, and then Sunday looks a lot quieter. I think there could be a stray shower on Sunday, but not nearly as active as what tomorrow is going to be. And then most of next week looks pretty quiet, but not zero. I think we're looking at probably 10% every day next week, starting Sunday and then going from Monday on, which just means the sea breeze will probably trigger a shower or two, but most areas won't get that. It'll just be very isolated. Here's a look at temperatures right now. It's 86 at the beach, but everybody else in the 90s, including Rio Grande City at 95, 91 in Raymondville at this hour. Tomorrow we're back in the 90s again, but of course if you get rained on, you will back off a little bit from that, probably into the upper 80s for a short period of time. Then as soon as the rain stops, you're right back up in the 90s again. Your heat index will be over 100 when those temperatures are at their max. We are at our max for our normal high, 97. That's as high as that long-term average gets. It starts coming back down later in the month, and we won't be that warm the next 3 days, 94, 96, and 95. Big ridge in control of the weather over Texas right now, kind of centered over the middle part of the state, but it's this weak disturbance that's wrapping around the east side of that that's going to kind of push down to the southwest and sneak into South Texas tomorrow, giving us that increased chance for a shower or a thunderstorm. It's not a particularly strong disturbance, but this time of year with all the heat and all the humidity we have, you bring a little disturbance through and you get scattered afternoon showers and maybe even a thunderstorm mixed in. It really weakens by the time we get to Sunday and kind of moves off to the southwest, but never goes completely away, and that's why we're taking the chance of rain down but not out, keeping it at about 10% for most of next week, as maybe a brief isolated shower on the sea breeze could happen each day. So the weekend looks like this: tomorrow 94, 40% chance of rain, and then on Sunday about a 10% chance of a shower, 96 degrees for that. Here's a look then tonight: 78, warm and muggy, southeast winds. Tomorrow, scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two mixed in. It'll feel like it's over 100, but the important thing is there will be a little bit of rain around the area, and so those areas that are still flooded could make things a little bit rougher for a day or so. In the meantime, Sunday we're back to a stray shower, then most of next week just isolated stuff, not much more beyond that. Best chance of rain is tomorrow. One system in the tropics we're watching. We'll talk about that in the next half hour, plus the space station goes over tonight. We'll give you the timing so you can go out and look up and see it coming up in just a few minutes.